Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As promised, I'm back with another video. Summers are here, so I thought of doing this video which more or less describes my summer styling and we'll get to that. उससे पहले मैं कुछ tips share करना चाहती हूँ. I mean things that I make sure I follow during summers. Number one, you've heard this a lot of times I know, but it's very important. Stay hydrated. Yes, so this is something I realized is very important just off late when I felt really dehydrated. और ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपकी स्किन पे तो दिखेगी but it will really affect your health also. So what you can do is you can carry a water bottle of your own जहाँ भी जा रहे हो. You get these detox bottles, you know, at stores like Miniso, etc. जिसमें आप, you know, you can put नींबू, mint leaves, cucumber, watermelon pieces and पूरा दिन उसमें से आप सिप करते रहो. I think I'm sure it makes you feel more hydrated than regular water does. And number two, I religiously follow my skincare regime, which is a little different from what I do regularly, like in winters and all. So I will be sharing my skincare routine in another video of mine. Number three, I make sure I wear fabrics that are more breathable. A lot of people try and wear colors which are lighter, but I'm the kind of person who wants to wear all the colors, even if it's black. So itna kar leti hu that I go for fabrics that are, you know, breathable, like linens, cottons, etc. Number four, make sure you carry your sunscreen everywhere and you wear it every single day, even if you're not stepping out. I was the kind of person who's very lazy about the sunscreen step. मुझे लगता था ठीक है ना, बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ तो क्या ज़रूरत है? But I think it truly plays an important role. My skin has drastically shown a difference since the time I've started wearing sunscreen in or out. So make sure you carry your sunscreen everywhere, reapply it. You know, you also get these tablets, sunscreen tablets, which kind of give you a 12-hour coverage. So you can do your research about it and maybe buy that. Number five, make sure you eat the seasonal vegetables and fruits. Now, I will not recommend that don't eat junk food because मैं खुद वो नहीं हूँ जो junk food avoid कर सके. So I eat whatever I like to eat, but I make sure I keep myself hydrated through fruits like watermelon, you know, melon, whatever is a seasonal fruit. So make sure you have that and grab a coconut water जब मौका मिले. Moving on to the looks now. This is the first look that I've created. It's with a very easy breezy sort of dress. I love the shade. It's a very interesting shade of blue that I picked. And I love the sleeves too, you know, they're not clingy and you kind of, even if you sweat, it's not uncomfortable, right? I'm pairing this dress with my favorite pair of white heels, which goes with almost everything. And I thought this cute little purse will go really well with it. For makeup, मुझे summers में ज़्यादा करना नहीं पसंद है because when you sweat and all, it eventually gets very cakey. So I make sure I put, you know, less layers. So I keep it very subtle, a little bit of coverage with tint on my cheeks, and for lips, I like to keep it pink, nude. You know, I like to play with nudes only and in matte. And I make sure I put lots of mascara because that kind of opens up your eyes and looks good. For hair, since I have naturally straight hair, मेरा मन नहीं था कुछ ज़्यादा करने का, and I also didn't want to keep it all open and straight. So I did these two braids which look damn cute and it gives it a boho sort of touch. So yes, I think this looks perfect for my Sunday brunch or a coffee date or any casual meet up with friends. For the second look, I've gone for the classic summer look. I think we all have a pair of cycling shorts in our wardrobe and a t-shirt that's bigger in size. I used to wear such t-shirts to sleep honestly, but recently I've figured out how to create a nice summery, effortless look in such t-shirts. You can go for a t-shirt that has your favorite coat or, you know, is your favorite graphic t-shirt. I've gone for this white t-shirt that says the good vibe and paired it with a pair of cycling shorts. I think it's pretty cool, no? To step out to a grocery store or maybe to catch up with a friend or something. I'm pairing this with a black cap. Need not even do my hair because wearing the cap just completes this look. With that, I'm wearing my favorite pair of sneakers which I recently bought. Look at this, how cool this looks and effortless, right? Since the look is very minimal for makeup, I have gone for catty eyes. I think it gives it a very sexy sort of touch. So yeah, I'm ready to step out and look cool and sexy both at the same time. For the third look, I'm going for this really pretty floral pink dress, and I think this is the closest to my style. So with this look now, I wanted to put in some effort. So I decided to do some natural curls, like wavy sort of look for my hair. For my makeup, मैं थोड़ा सा pop of pink डालना चाहती थी, तो मैंने eyes भी थोड़े pink किए हैं, cheeks भी और lips पे भी थोड़ा सा loud pink किया है. I think it looks cute, right? I'm carrying my blue purse with this. I think it goes well, and my all-time favorite transparent heels जो सबके साथ चले जाते हैं. Look at me, I look like a diva, don't I? I think this is a perfect look for a sundowner or something. So these were some of my favorite summer looks. I hope you liked the video. Please drop comments and tell me what would you like to watch next. I'll try and create a video around it. For more interesting stuff and videos, just watch out this space and please subscribe if you haven't.